So here's that little hidden bracket. It's behind this 14mm bolt, and you guys can see where that nut sits on top of the AC compressor. Sits right there. Right here. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove that back hidden nut. Simple job. Just that last bracket that makes it kind of a little harder. So now we're gonna put everything back in place. Connection, ground, nut, pulley, serpentine belt, and yeah, let's get it.